In this lesson, I will show you how to find the range, mean, median, and mode of a set of numbers. Let's look at range first. The range of a set of numbers is equal to the difference between the largest and smallest numbers. In this set, 11 is the largest number and 1 is the smallest. We can calculate the range by subtracting 1 from 11. The range of this set of numbers is 10. Now I'll show you how to find mode. When looking at a set of numbers, you can find the mode by looking at which number in the set occurs most often. In this set, we have two 5s. There is no other number that occurs twice. Since the number 5 occurs the most often, it is the mode. A fun way to remember mode is to recognize that the word mode has the same beginning sound as most. To find the mean of a set of numbers, you must calculate the average value of all the numbers in the set. The word mean in math is a synonym for average. You can find the average or mean by first adding up all the numbers in the set. From there, take the sum and divide it by the total amount of numbers that you added. In this case, we added together 7 numbers. So we divide our sum, 42, by 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6. The mean of this set of numbers is 6. Finally, let's look at how to find the median of this set of numbers. The first thing you must do if you want to find the median is to write the numbers in order from least to greatest. Once the numbers are in the correct order, locate the number that is listed right in the middle. That is the median. The median of these numbers is 5. Let's review. Range is the difference between the largest and smallest numbers in a set. Mode is the number that occurs most often in the set. Mean is the average of all the numbers in the set. Median is the number that is listed in the middle of a set that has been put in order from least to greatest.